Dear viewers, hello, I'm Elena and I welcome you to my video art channel. You see in front of you my new earrings that I created using skeleton leaves and polymer clay. If you want to know how to create such cute stud earrings, watch the video. However, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my video channel. Recently, I bought skeleton leaves on Temu.com in beautiful aqua, delicate light orange and black. These leaves are called skeletons because they are transparent and contain only a mesh of midribs and veins. Such leaves can be created from the scratch. There are many tutorials on this topic and the leaves can be painted in different colors. However, I bought ready-to-use leaves. In the description, it is stated that they are natural, but I also saw synthetic and metal skeleton leaves. I thought it would be nice to make earrings from them. The problem is that their size is different, but I will try to pick up the same size leaves. In addition, they are sold in only a few pieces, usually in odd quantities. They are good for a necklace as well. I also remember that I have air-dry polymer clay of the same color. Therefore, I decided to create beads to connect the leaves to hooks. This is where I got two ideas. I want to create flat and round beads and decide which ones best fit the leaves. Let's start. To make the beads, I will need very little polymer clay, literally a pinch. I knead the clay well first and then roll it out a bit. To obtain a volume design, I use a special silicone mold. Such molds are sold for different purposes such as the baking, creating art and crafts. As you can see, this is a beautiful design. With the help of cookie cutter, I cut out 2 circles. I will create bead balls from the remaining polymer clay. While drying, I will do the same with light orange polymer clay. However, I will use a different silicone mold to obtain different bead design. I will also create round beads from the remaining polymer clay. Let us determine which beads will fit the sleeves better. Now I want to improve the look of beads, and for this I will use mica powder. Mica or mica is a colored powder made from a natural mineral called muscovite. Muscovite is a silicate mineral that belongs to the same family as quartz. A synthetic mica has higher purity and is therefore bolder. This powder, when combined with paints, creates a special effect, such as the mother of pearls effect. It can be added to paints or applied to the surfaces of beads and other items. Each powder has its own name, which is corresponded to its effect. I have chosen several kinds of powders and I will try to use them now. I do not want the effect to be harsh, so I will use a powder close in color to the color of my beads. A soft paintbrush is used to evenly apply a small amount of the powder on the surface. Do not put too much. There is a barely noticeable effect in the video, but in reality it looks much better. The beads have to be dried and coated with varnish after that. So my beads are ready and I will begin assembling the earrings. The original idea was to connect the skeleton leaves to the beads using a round metal connector. However, when I tried to pass the metal connector through the leaf, I saw that the leaf could easily be damaged. This connection was tenuous. The concept of using bead balls fell away. Here I think of a solution. What if I glue the tips of the leaves to the flat beads and then add the stud parts? I will use the good glue that I often use to create my jewelry. As you can see, I glued the base of the leaf first. And then the stud part. Look, it is all working. In the same way, I repeat the process with another earring. What do you think about the result? I like it very much because these earrings turn out to be elegant, delicate, and beautiful. Now it's time to repeat the entire process using orange beads and leaves. As can be seen, the result is very good again. What do you think? I personally like such earrings. The main point is that they do not require excessive effort to be created. If you do not have clay beads, you can use plastic beads or even paper. With a good care, they can last for long. I will use the black skeleton leaves later, and I've got so many other ideas and projects that I need to find more time to create new videos. If you like the video, do not forget to click like. Please subscribe to my video channel. For me, creating jewelry is a pleasurable hobby. I enjoy it a lot. And I hope you enjoy my videos too. See you in new videos.